What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Vivo is launching X200 Pro. This is the most advanced and powerful smartphone of the company. The smartphone will be LTP OLED touchscreen display with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. The smartphone will be equipped with the powerful Dimensity 9400 chipset with an octa-core processor. The smartphone will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM. On the back, the phone has featured 50 megapixel main camera, periscope lenses with 3x optical zoom. There will be under display optical fingerprint sensor. The phone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.